Objet, setting the new standard. Smooth surfaces and fine details like you've never seen before, because it's the smallest details that make the real design. And there's only one way to get it. Introducing the new Objet 24 Personal 3D Printer. Starting at only $19,900. The Objet 24 is based on Objet's professional PolyJet technology, which jets ultra-thin layers of model material at high resolution. Objet 24 is the first high-quality personal 3D printer that prints detailed, true-to-life models, no matter how complex the geometry. With the Objet 24, ease of use is built in. Turn any CAD file into a final model with just a few clicks using Objet Studio software. Maximize your productivity by printing large models or many small parts simultaneously, saving time and cost. Ultra-thin layers of just 28 microns and high resolution of 600 by 600 dpi produce smooth, accurate, and highly detailed models. The variety of applications is almost unlimited. Highly accurate models mean you can test the functionality, fit, and form of your designs, and even insert electronic components. And painting the printed models is easy. With Objet 24, there's no need to compromise on model quality, tolerate design inaccuracies, or waste time and money on repeated print cycles. All starting at only $19,900. The first high-quality, affordable personal 3D printer. Objet, setting the new standard for personal 3D printing.